enemies coming, you vindicate me. I'm bowing down to you, Lord, you vindicate me. You want my complete trust, you vindicate me. I can't do it on my own, Lord, I need you, you vindicate me, Lord. You vindicate me, you vindicate me, Lord. You vindicate me, now it's time to rise up and soar. You vindicate me, you vindicate me, Lord. You vindicate me, now it's time to rise up and soar. Ever since the word was spoken over me, they could not like me. I began walking in the light and they don't take that lightly. That I'm snatching people out the darkness to the Almighty. We the hands and feet of Jesus and I'ma do it right. That lightly, that I'm snatching people out the darkness to the Almighty. We the hands and feet of Jesus and I'ma do it rightly. I remember the brokenness God has allowed in my life. I remember the blood, I remember the story of Job and Joseph, and I remember the flood. I remember